My name is Kyle Price, and you're listening to The Loon Call. This week on The Loon Call, we feature two longtime Caroga Lake Music Festival musicians, Alix Raspe-Gray, associate harpist of the Columbus Symphony, and Stephanie Price-Wong, violist of the Casa Quartet. Stephanie and I have obviously known each other for quite some time, seeing that we grew up together as we're siblings. And Alix Raspe has known our family since she was, I believe, in 6th grade, when her conductor of the middle school orchestra in Greenwich was my Aunt Constance Barrett. Connie was a huge influence to all of us and was a prominent cellist and educator. She also arranged and appeared in various radio shows and movies such as Reservation Road. On that movie set is actually where I was able to meet Alix and also Michael Chen and Mark Chen, who continue to be coming to Caroga Lake Music Festival each year. Connie and my mother Debbie, who also plays with Caroga Lake Music Festival, were two major influences in how I've chosen to play the cello, how Stephanie has pursued being a professional musician and entrepreneur, and also likewise with Alix during her pursuit of a professional career in music. Connie and her husband Mark, who's actually an audio engineer and appears at many concerts at the Caroga Lake Music Festival, were integral in the launching of the Caroga Lake Music Festival in 2012 and 2013. The two of them attended all of our performances, including connecting us with venues in New York City, where we got to perform at St. John Divine Cathedral and also the Sleepy Hollow famous Old Dutch Church. Connie passed away in 2013 after a 17-year-long journey with cancer. Her presence remains deeply tied within the Caroga Lake Music Festival experience, including her cellos, one which is played by myself, another which is played by a guest musician at Caroga Lake Music Festival every summer. There was also a requiem composed in her memory that has been performed multiple times at Caroga Lake Music Festival and can be found on YouTube if you simply search The Requiem by Kyle Price in memory of Connie Barrett. That recording of the first movement of Debussy dances that you just heard featured Alix Raspe on solo harp with Stephanie Price in the orchestra during the Caroga Arts Ensemble residency in Nyon, Switzerland. As an accomplished harpist, Alix has soloed and performed chamber music in orchestra with some of the best performers around the country. She attended NYU and NEC, a really famous music conservatory in Boston. Since then, she started the Dorset Chamber Music Residency, which has featured the Casa Quartet and other members related to Caroga Lake Music Festival, and also is the director of marketing for the Chamber Music Connection. At the Chamber Music Connection, she works with Deborah Price, a violist of Caroga Lake Music Festival, and also Stephanie Price-Wong, who has been at the Caroga Lake Music Festival since its founding in 2012 and is the assistant director of Chamber Music Connection. Stephanie shares a love for chamber music, where she performs with the Ames Piano Quartet with Mei-Shin Huang, another Caroga Lake Music Festival artist, and also the Casa Quartet. Many members of the Caroga Lake Music Festival remain closely tied to the Chamber Music Connection as either former alumni or teaching artists or guest artists. You can see CMC and Caroga connections throughout the country in the classical music scene. In this next selection, Alix, Stephanie, and Debbie join to perform the Golubev Harp Quintet in C minor. Such a haunting work, almost like something you'd hear from The Godfather. One of the works performed at the Connie Barrett Memorial Concert at the St. John Divine Cathedral was the Adagietto by Mahler, featuring harp and string orchestra. It's a really wonderful, beautiful work that we'll share an excerpt of now. This is from the 2015 Caroga Lake Music Festival, featuring Alix Raspe on harp. Thank you for joining us this week on the Loon Call. And to leave you off, here is the second movement of the WC Dances, featuring Alix and Stephanie. And I hope you join us on Thursday for another Happy Hour Music Core and Talk, where they will be our special guests. This has been the Loon Call.